Well, we had one this morning already from Tom Scasey, and that was fantastic. Just on the closed loop economy, or the circular economy. That was fantastic talk. There's several more that I'm interested in hearing. There's around security, around design choices that drive sustainability, understanding consumer behavior.
I think the agenda is very jam-packed with a lot of great presenters, so I'm really anxious to get my notepad ready to feverishly take down as much as I can and take away as much as I can.
I think that it's a very well and very rounded agenda. We are covering several different topics, and spoken persons are very interesting.
The kickoff meeting this morning was great. Tom from the Loop was wonderful and gave us a lot of really thought-provoking ideas. So that was a really great kickoff, and I met many great suppliers.
The seminars and the presentations are, they're extremely helpful because you get to again pick the ones that you find interesting, and you can also, but at the same time, you get the option to pick something you've never learned about, or you might not know anything about yet, but want to know, or just find an interest, even personal interest in.
I thought it's been great. It's a really good mix of different opinions and different experiences. A lot about values, which I really appreciate, but I think it's been a really great event.